Hey, my name's Cameron Taylor from Pinch Payments. We've had a fantastic question raised on a recent post about Xero for tradies in the fantastic Tradie Wives Facebook community that Pinch is a partner of. This question comes from a user and it says, user of Pinch Payments and happy to give you guys a shout out. You've made getting payments so much easier. Love not chasing certain invoices anymore. And the question is, would love, however, to see some resources around how to onboard older clients to the new system without making them feel like it's a forced situation. This is a great question. Pinch has a number of resources available between our help desk, our videos, but also our fantastic client success team, which is really here to help you achieve these goals. So if you do ever have a question, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help you. One thing that you could consider is the impact that this is having on the payer and pitching or framing it in a way that helps your payer understand that by having to manually pay you and remember to manually pay you, it's an additional, plate that they're juggling of things that they need to remember. So by enabling pre-approval and automated debit, you're effectively assisting them by removing an additional plate off their probably busy life and schedule. And that can be a really good way of pitching that, this is also here for them. A piece of advice that I can give on this front is all about control. Often payers are stressed about auto debits because they feel like they lack the control or the visibility. One thing that you could consider is when you do sign up someone to pre-approval, start by not having the automated component firing, meaning that the automatic debit won't happen automatically. And instead, there is a function in Pinch that allows you to manually control when that debit happens. And what you can do is you can start these more hesitant clients off on a more manual approach where you either call them or text them or phone them and let them know that you're now ready to take the payment. That will help give them and grow their confidence in the system as they start to see payments happen successfully each time without any issues. And then from there, once you've built that confidence in them, the ask becomes a lot smaller for you to then just turn on the automated component. It just removes the middleman. They'll then still be confident that the due date is going to be the date that the debit happens. And overall, you've slowly transitioned them to the preferred system.